Body language. Body language is very important for a teacher to maintain in a manner that proves to be a very helpful tip for the students to cooperate in understanding and learning of a lesson. Sometimes it has been noticed that the body language of the teachers is not really very happy in the class. It is not showing that the teacher is willing to contribute to the lesson. Sometimes it is giving an impression to the students that the teacher is annoyed with them. The teacher has to be very careful. Maybe she is not intentionally doing it. Maybe it is happening because she has some stress on her mind, or maybe she had a not very pleasant morning that day. Maybe she faced with some problem on the road while coming to the school, or maybe she is worried about the outcome of the learning of her students. So it can be related to any of these and many more. But the teacher has to take care that this is not filtered into her students, because it passes from the adults to the young people. Just as we need to be careful with our children in our family. When we have something upsetting going on in the family, as parents, we try our best not to let our children know about it. Why do we do that? Just because we don't want them to be upset. I think many of us try our best to show by our body language to our children that everything is fine. Sometimes we are even careful with our elders. We don't want to upset them because we are upset. And we try to exhibit and display a mannerism in which we want to show that we are very peaceful, we have no problems, and the reason for doing that is that we do not want to upset our children or our adults or elders in the family or even our friends sometime. Similarly, the teachers need to take care that they do not upset their students by their body language. The body language of the teacher needs to be, number one, encouraging, welcoming, very friendly, motivating, and very, very happy when they are in the class, showing that they are willing to do the lesson. If they would be having these 5 qualities on their tips as the body language importance and significance in the class, the students will have the same characteristics to show in the class. And the learning would become very collaborative. There won't be a problem making our learners learn when such signs will prevail in the classroom. The environment of the classroom would become very happy and friendly for the children to concentrate upon. They would be willing workers because they can see that the teacher is a willing worker. So all these things together built up an atmosphere of learning amongst the students. Whereas if these things are lacking, it would be just an opposite atmosphere in the class where the students would not be willing to work, to cooperate, to collaborate, and to share and to be friendly with one another. Therefore, it is required that a lot of importance may be paid to the body language of a teacher when she is in the classroom, and in case she has some problem, she may go and discuss it with somebody so that there is an outlet. A good way to get over that feeling of being disturbed is to share it with somebody, but not to share it with the students by using a body language which upsets the students.